Coming to history of Java. Okay, initially Java was developed by James Gosling in 1995 at Sun Microsystems. So now the Sun Microsystem is a part of Oracle Corporation, but earlier it is developed by what Sun Microsystem itself. So the main person in this language development team is James Gosling. So James Gosling contribution is more in developing Java language. So that's why he is also known as a father of Java. So the history begins with the Java history begins with the green team. Okay. So now what is a green team? So green team is nothing but so in early 90s they have started a new language for some electronic appliances like TVs, set-top boxes, some embedded systems. So for that, so they want a new language and they have started for new language. In that new language team, so we have persons like James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, Patrick Norton. So this team is called green team. Okay, so they have started the research in 1991 itself for new language. As I said, this language is for small designed for small and embedded systems and electronic appliances like set-top boxes and TVs. Okay, and while developing this language named it as Green Talk. This language named it as Green Talk. So the file name extension is .gt. So now this Green Talk is named as Java. So that's why we are using .java extension. But earlier the language name is a Green Talk. That's why they have given what .gt extension. After that again, so they have changed this name to Oak. Okay, as a part of Green project, so they have changed this Green Talk to Oak. So what is a Oak? So why Java named Oak? Okay, so why the language named Oak? So Oak is a name of the tree. Oak is the name of the tree and it is a symbol of strength. So that's why they have taken the language name as Oak. And this tree is national tree of many countries like USA, Germany, France, Romania, etc. Okay, that's the reason. So they have taken the language name as Oak. Okay, so Oak. So for your reference, here I am displaying oak tree. So oak, this tree is a symbol of strength. This tree also known as a symbol of strength. Okay. Now again, so because of some trademark issues, and Oak was again renamed as Java in 1995. So because of some trademark issues and because of some uniqueness, so again they have changed this Oak to Java in 1995. Now what is Java? So Java is an island place. So it is one area or it is one island of Indonesia, and this island is produce the first coffee. This island is produce the first coffee. So that's why they have taken the symbol of Java is one hot coffee symbol. Okay, and this coffee was made by some espresso bean. Okay, and here I want to tell some points. So Java, it is not an acronym. Okay, it is not an acronym. So there is no full form of Java. Just Java is one island name in Indonesia. Okay. Next, it is not extension of C++. Some of them might thinking so Java is extension of C++. No. Okay. So finally, so this is a symbol of Java.